Next video, I'm going to show you how to hide content when secure folder is locked on Samsung. So if your secure folder is added to your Samsung home screen just like this, people can easily decode that you are using this secure folder to hide content or apps on your Samsung Galaxy device. So the easiest way to use Samsung phone secure folder without being noticed is to make sure that the content is not shown or the indie folder is hidden when the secure folder is active. So if I download this video, you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first you want to do when you want to hide content when secure folder is locked on Samsung Galaxy phone is go to your Samsung phone settings. On settings page, just scroll down and click on security and privacy or biometrics and privacy. So this depends on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Once you open that, just scroll down and click on more security settings. Under more security settings, select secure folder and then go ahead and unlock your secure folder. It could be PIN, password, pattern, or fingerprint. Just go ahead, type in the necessary code or password to unlock your secure folder. Once this is unlocked, then locate Hide Secure Folder to App Screen. Once that is hidden, if you see a pop that says Hide Secure folder won't appear on your home screen and app screen while hidden. Click on Hide. Then once you selected the hidden button, you see the secure folder disappeared right here. And with that, the content in the secure folder and the secure folder itself will be hidden from your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if this is helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.